My name is Miles Ozo, and I am the creative director for Chamber Media. Here at Chamber Media, we work with tons of animals, including goats, ducks, cows, horses, puppies, cats, snakes, chickens, donkeys, aliens. Working with animals can be fun, but at the same time dangerous. So there's a lot of safety protocols that we have to do. First thing that we need to have is an animal handler. Basically, their job is to make sure that the animal's comfortable, using the animal the right way, just so that the animal's not distressed or freaking out. Another issue that you might run into while using animals in your set is communication or the chemistry between the talent and the animal. I usually like to have the talent who's going to be handling or communicating, interacting with the animal to kind of just hang out for a sec. That could be petting, that could just be holding an animal if they're smaller. Basically that, just so that they can develop that relationship. So the animal doesn't get confused when they see the talent. Another thing that we try to avoid while having animals on set are loud noises. Right before we even begin to shoot, we have a safety meeting, right? We need to let them know that there's going to be animals involved and that we should refrain or make sure that we're not making any loud noises. I know on set it can be funny. Sometimes those who have loud laughs, like me, I'm guilty for that, could potentially scare the animal. So those are some guidelines on working with animals on set. If you have any more questions or you want to work with us, just hit us up at chamber.media. Thanks for watching.